Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all will be fine and safe. Children, today I will be start a new chapter that is money. In this chapter, I will explain the concept of money, its types, barter system and drawbacks of barter system. So, let's begin. Children, money, I have present a definition of money. Money is what money does. So, children, from this definition, I have asked a question. Money is what? This question answer is money is a medium of exchange which is commonly used in our life. Second question is what money does. So, now the answer of this question is money is fulfill our wants. With the help of money, we can fulfill our desire or wishes. But in olden days, goods were exchanged for goods because there was no money. So, in earlier, we exchanged the commodity to commodity with each other. This system was known as barter system, but barter system was failed because our wants were unlimited, and in barter system there were not fulfill our wants. So this system proved to be an inefficient system of exchange. Then money is invented. Money is a common medium of exchange. So children, money, a thing which is commonly used and accepted as a medium of exchange, is called money. Example, a rupee in India is money. It is a commonly accepted medium of exchange by us. A dollar in USA is also an example of money. So children, in earlier we are exchange goods to goods, but now goods were not sold for goods. Instead, goods were sold for money. Coins of gold and silver were introduced as money also. Alloy metal was used for coinage along with paper money. And now is the age of plastic money in the form of cash cards or e-money in the form of electronic transfer of money by way of credit, debit, entries in the bank accounts. So, money is invented as a medium of exchange. Gradually, money found its other uses as well. Money is used as a store of value, money is used as a measure of value, and money is used as a standard for deferred payments. Deferred payments means are those payments which are made sometimes in the future. So, children, money definition is money is anything which is commonly accepted as a medium of exchange. It has been invented to overcome the difficulties of barter system of exchange. Initially, money is invented as a medium of exchange, store of value, measure of value, and standard for deferred payments. The definition of money convey the basic function of money, like money act as a medium of exchange. Money serves as a store of value. Money is a measure of value, and money serves as a standard for deferred payments. Barter system of exchange. Barter system also I had explained. Barter system of exchange is a system in which goods are exchanged for goods. The people were facing a lots of problem during the going of barter system, like double coincidence of wants. Double coincidence of wants implies that at a point of time the two individuals are in possession of such goods which they are willing to exchange for the satisfaction of their wants. But it is not always so simple. Second, lack of a common unit of value. What is the value of your car? If you are asking a question from someone, you can reply rupees 5 lakh. Can you give the same answer in a barter system of exchange? Certainly not. Under such a system, your car would be valued in terms of money. So money has given us a common unit of value and therefore a system of accounting. Third, difficulty of future payments or contractual payments. These days, you hire a worker and strike a contract to pay him rupees 10,000 per month. What do you do in a barter system? Would you decide to pay him in terms of tables or chairs, in terms of rice or wheat, in terms of drugs or chocolates in return? Contractual payments or future payments would certainly be very difficult under barter system of exchange. Evolution of money has facilitated contractual payments. Difficulty of storage of value. In the CC economy, barter system, saving is possible only by way of storage of goods. What happens if you are to transfer your savings from one place to the other? Obviously, you are to transfer the goods, which again is a difficult task. Besides being expensive, evolution of money has made storage and transfer of value much easier. So children, according to barter system, we are facing a lots of problem. So these problems has removed in the exchange or in the method of money. So now the transactions very easier for us. Next topic is forms of money. Some important forms of money are described as under. It has two types. First, fiat money and fiduciary money. Second, full-bodied money and credit money. According to fiat money, it refers to that money which is issued by order, authority of the government. It includes all notes and coins which the people in a country are legally used as a medium of exchange. Fiduciary money is that money which is accepted as a medium of exchange because of the trust between the payer and the payee. Example, checks are fiduciary money as these are accepted as a means of payment on the basis of trust, not on the basis of any order of the government. Next, full-bodied money and credit money. According to full-bodied money refers to money in terms of coins whose commodity value is equal to the money value as and when these are issued. Suppose an example, a rupee coin during the British period in India was made of silver. Commodity value of the coin was equal to its money value at the time of its issuing, or the market value of the silver contained in the coins was equal to rupees 1. Second, credit money refers to that money of which money value is more than commodity value. Example, what is the market value of the metal that the rupee coin is made of in India? Obviously, much lower than the money value of the rupee coin. Otherwise, people would have melted the coins and sold the metal in the market at a price greater than 1 rupee. So children, these are the forms which we will follow in forms of money. So children, due to above limitations of the barter system, the exchange process tends to be highly inefficient. It was to overcome these difficulties that money was invented by society due to increasing scale of industrialization and commercialization. Money has evolved through different stages according to growth of industrialization. Money evolved with time as follow. First, commodity money. It was in the barter system that any commodity that was generally demanded and had common consent was taken and used as money. Various types of commodities like cow, she-shell, leather, pearls, precious stones, salt, etc. have been used as medium of exchange. These were called commodity money. Metallic money. Commodity money was replaced by metallic money with growth of human civilization. The medium of exchange were metals particularly gold and silver. This is because these were widely accepted in monetary transactions like buying, selling, borrowing, etc. These were durable and easy to handle. These could be divided into small units to be used as money. But after 1930, use of metallic money was discarded because their supply was limited. Government had to maintain 100% gold reserves, difficulty in handling large transactions, lack of safety during transportation. So children, metallic money, in which method we will use the coins of gold and silver, which will be closed after 1930 through the government. 4. Lack the lack for lack of metal. Next, paper money. It was due to inconvenience in use of gold and silver metallic money that invention of paper money facilitated huge transactions requiring the use of money. Paper money is regulated and controlled by RBI in India. So now this time we are using paper money and credit money. Bank or credit money. Bank or credit money was invented to make the transactions convenient based on the trust and concern between buyers and sellers. People started using credit money like checks, draft, etc. Plastic money is the form of credit cards and debit cards. Is also used as medium of exchange. It reduces risk, is easy to handle and commonly accepted in payments. So children, now this time we are using paper money and in a lots of form bank or credit money. So plastic money is a fashionable and a demanding money in this time. Plastic money, we can give the example of two types of card like credit cards or debit cards. So these are the example of plastic money. Now the function of money. Function of money is divided in two types. First, primary function and second is secondary function. Primary function also in two types. First, a unit of value and a medium of exchange. In secondary method, a standard of deferred payments and a store of value. So children, so according to primary function, it is a unit of account in terms of which the value of all goods and services is measured and expressed. The value of each good or services is expressed as its price. Prices of all goods and services are expressed in terms of money. How many pence for how many pences is not a problem once we know their price. So these are the basic functions which we will use in the money as a primary function. Second is secondary function of money. So children, according to secondary function of money, we can defer payment refer to payment made in future. We can payment made in future. Okay. It has facilitated market transactions of buying, selling, borrowing, etc. Money makes possible the credit transactions to happen when payments are not to be made immediately. So these are the functions which we will use in secondary function of money. Children, next topic is supply of money. According to money, supply refers to the total stock of money in circulation in an economy at a given point of time. It includes two components. So according the book, supply of money is a stock concept. It refers to total stock of money held by the people of a country at a point of time. It includes two components. First, currency, paper money and coins held by the public, private individuals and business firms. Second component is net demand deposit, against which checks are deposited are issued held by the commercial bank. And money supply is a stock variable and refer to stock of money held by public in spendable form. Next is measures of money supply. In India, there are four measures of money supply M1, M2, M3 and M4 presented by RBI on the basis of recommendation of second working group of RBI on money supply. These are defined by RBI on the basis of their liquidity. They were first M1. M1 is equals to C plus DD plus OD. So according to M1, C plus DD plus OD. In India, there are four alternative measures of money supply, popularly known as M1, M2, M3 and M4. Of these, only M1 measure is discussed here as prescribed in the syllabus. So, we will not discuss M2, M3 and M4 in this syllabus. Measures are given. So, according to M1, measures of money supply, how the country has measures of money. According to M1, measurement money supply includes the following components. M1 is equals to C for currency, DD demand deposit and other deposit. C, it refers to currency held by the public. It includes coins as well as paper notes. So children, according C, we will include all the coins and paper notes which held by the public, deposit by the public in the banks. Second is DD. DD is, it refers to demand deposit of the people with the commercial bank. These are checkable deposits which can be withdrawn or transferred on demand. So children, DD means demand deposit. It can be held when the people can be withdrawn, with the help of these DD, the people can be withdrawn or transferred their money according to their demand from the commercial banks. Third is OD. OD means other deposits. These are other deposits which include demand deposit with RBI of public financial institution like NABARD, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Second, demand deposit with RBI of foreign central bank and of the foreign government. Third, demand deposits of international financial institutions like IMF and World Bank. Specifically, OD does not include deposits of the government of the country with RBI, deposits of the country banking system with RBI. So children, today I have explained some important topic in the chapter money. So children, according money is anything which is commonly accepted as a medium of exchange. It has been invented overcome the difficulties of barter system of exchange. Barter system of exchange is the system in which commodities are exchanged for commodities. It is also called commodity for commodity CC economy. Drawbacks: it requires double coincidence of wants which is hard to find. It lacks a common unit of exchange. It lacks the system of future payments or deferred payments. It lacks the system of storage and transfer of value. And also I have explained the forms of money. Fiat money is that money which is issued by order, authority of the government. Fiduciary money is that money which is accepted as a medium of exchange because of its trust between the payer and the payee. Full-bodied money, money value is equals to commodity value of the money. Credit money of coins and notes greater commodity value of coins and notes. Supply of money is a stock concept. It refers to stock of money available with the public people at a point of time. Stock of money with the government and the banking system of the country is not considered as a part of money supply. Component of money supply: currency with people plus demand deposit with commercial banks plus other deposit with the Reserve Bank. So children, today I have explained this topic from the chapter money. I hope these concepts will be clear. So take care. Goodbye.